myself CA Aditya Zante. I am the convener of the study group of WIRC and I am a part of this book called as Maharashtra RERA Law and Practice. I have contributed to important chapters in this book, namely Certificate under Form 3 and Guidance Note on Real Estate and Ind AS 115. In this book, I have contributed to important chapters, that is Certificate under Form 3. First, we will take Certificate under Form 3. In this certificate, we have properly contributed the entire certification process and we have included almost 107 notes. We have revised this chapter at least 6 to 7 times because it has gone through a scrutiny process under the guidance of CA Ramesh Prabhu and the other stalwarts of the profession, very senior such as Shri ex-chairman Shri Gautam Chatterjee sir and PETA chairman. So we have properly scrutinized and we have seen that how it will serve the purpose of the RERA Act and Maharashtra RERA Authority. Even in this chapter, I have provided a few formats which are to be obtained by a chartered accountant before accepting the assignment, during the assignment and when he exits the assignment. So that is the reason we have to take utmost precautions while signing the certificate under Form 3 and we have included everything in proper and simple language. Second chapter is Guidance Note on Real Estate and Ind AS 115. In this, we have included the comparison which is not available in any book in the entire market. So here you will get the comparison and even the comparison is there with the Form 3. So while issuing the certification, you will complete background of this process. Secondly, this book, if you will look the volume of the book, you can consider it as a Bhagavad Gita. Why? The reason is it serves the entire purpose of all the stakeholders. That is the purpose and it gives you guidance like Bhagavad Gita. Like Bhagavad Gita gives the guidance for our living. This gives you the guidance for issuing certificates, for carrying out the project, for marketing the project, for buying a flat. So entire process of a real estate project is covered in this book. Hence, it serves the purpose of all the stakeholders. That is the reason it is called as a Bhagavad Gita. In this book, we have guidance of the stalwarts of all the profession. We have 100 authors and in this, we have CREDAI, MCHI, all the heads, all the other members of this organization. We have the major role of the RERA authority, the current chairman, the ex-chairman, then the technical members and other judicial members. So this book has gone through a difficult and brainstorming process in the period of 4 months. So here you have to buy this book because this book is the authentication where exact message is being delivered what RERA Act and RERA Authority is expecting. So this was the purpose of CA Ramesh Prabhu sir. He told that there is no book in the market which will guide everyone, each stakeholder in this country. Hence, we have to come out with this book and this book will definitely be a guiding factor for other states also. You can purchase the book from Taxman Publishers and it is available at all the stores. Also, it is available at Mahaseva offices. For more details, you can contact the number given on the screen and you can avail the copy. You can subscribe, like and share this channel Mahaseva News and Webinar. Thank you.